All right, we're here. Tampa Bay, Florida. We're bowling the World Series. Today was practice session, and one of the more important patterns we bowled on was the cheetah pattern because it's the first day, and you have to get off to a good start at the World Series. Ask Belmo. I mean, he was 80th after last year and led by 500. It's no big deal. Tomorrow, cheetah pattern, and I'm telling you, we gotta bowl good because it's just one of those patterns that can make or break. It takes the entire week. Let's do first pins. If you dig yourself a hole, it's terrible. So we got cheetah tomorrow. The next day we got chameleon. The next day we got scorpion, 30 games. And then we go into match play for the world championship. So the practice session actually was good. We drilled some 900 global balls, the afterburner. What else did we drill? Maybe a Zen. We drilled something else. Probably only going to throw urethane tomorrow because reactive's not even a thing on cheetah. And there we go. We're in the best weather in the world. It's basically paradise. Might as well be in the Bahamas, down here in Tampa, and we're ready to rock.